Today I show you how to recover deleted photos from your Android phone. These photos, they have to be deleted with the recycle bin. If you deleted them permanently, then you shut down the phone right now and take your phone to a data recovery service if they are really important files and pictures. If you deleted them from the gallery app, then it's okay, you can continue watching the video. As long as you do this within 30 days of the time you deleted them, you can easily recover the pictures. I use the gallery app and files app from Google, and this, if you use the same apps, it will be almost the same way. If you use other apps or other phones, it might be a little bit different. This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V using Android 15. And the gallery app here, I have some of the pictures here, but I want to get to the pictures I deleted. From here I deleted a few pictures before, and I will navigate to the folder called the recycle bin or the trash bin. When you open the gallery app, you have the folders with your pictures and videos, and here on top you have the bin folder. You can also get to this folder by pressing on the three-dot menu. So if I go in the bin folder, these are the files in the bin. These files, I deleted them, and I can choose to empty the bin, to delete them permanently, or restore. And I would select these three, for example, and I choose restore. I choose allow, and then it says it restored items. They will be restored to their original location where they were before they got deleted. Items in the bin will be removed after 30 days. Keep this in mind. You can only do this within 30 days of the time you deleted them. And I can select one or two. Well, I can select all of them. I can select all the pictures if I wanted to. This is by using the gallery app. Here you can only recover the videos or pictures. If you deleted something that is not a picture or a video, you can actually also try to recover them if they were deleted with the bin. You can use the Files app, and in the Files app you navigate to the same bin folder. So here I have the Files app open. This is the home page of the Files app, and you need to see this is the internal storage, SD card, other storage, but I want to find the bin. So to find the bin, you tap on this menu here on the left, and you see there is the bin. It even shows you the size. I press on bin, and the bin shows me the files deleted separately by storage type. So I have internal storage and the SD card. If I deleted something from the SD card and it's in the bin, I can still recover it to restore it to the original location. And here I have pictures, but there's only one screenshot from before. But you might have other kinds of files here, and you can restore them. To restore a file, I can select the files just like this and choose restore or delete. If you choose delete here, it will delete them permanently, and then it's very hard to recover them. Only a data recovery center might be able to recover, but still no guarantees. So if you press delete by mistake here and the files were really important, you shut down the phone and take it to a data recovery center and hope to get it back. They might be able to do it or might not, depending on your luck. The most important thing is, if the files are important and you deleted them by mistake, is to not to use the phone at all, to shut it down completely. From the long press on the power button and then power off. This is the most important thing to do. If the files are not important, I can choose delete and not think about it. And if they are important, I want them, I can choose restore. So I selected the files and I will choose restore because I want the files back. So I choose restore 3 items. And I have to confirm it again to do it again. So I'll show you again. 4 items, I press restore. Selected files will be restored to their original location, it says there, and okay, that's not a problem. And you can see them as thumbnails like this. You can select the specific date ranges, 30 days left, 20 days left. I could choose restore. So now all these files are restored to their original location, and you even show them, you see them how they showed up here. I can always delete them again if I wanted to, like these blurry pictures. I can always choose the bin delete allow, and they're back in the bin. They are back here waiting 30 days before they are permanently deleted. I hope this helps you recover your files and pictures and videos, and let me know how you deleted your pictures and why you had to restore them, if it was because you changed your mind or something else. Thanks for watching.